Day 6. We started our day with a wonderful chocolate-inspired breakfast before setting off weaving through the narrow streets of Viana de Costelo. Again, we chose the main road over the coast to avoid the expected high winds.
Take me down to the river where the peace won't run dry. Gather round at the river where my soul comes to life and I come alive. Freedom, freedom, freedom.
We follow the main road through a small town before crossing the railway tracks and heading uphill.
Freedom, freedom, freedom for my body, soul, and mind.
Descending the other side, we were in Ancora by early afternoon. We stayed at the Blue Ancora Hotel and dried our boots at the local laundromat, much to the ire of an elderly local.
Today was going to be our biggest day yet, so we were out the door early.
Here I go.
Mm-hmm. What? You're just so tall.
Satisfied, Lord, I know you will deliver like you do every time.
Walking alongside the main road, we passed through Camina, crossed a long bridge, and eventually made it back to the coast.
We opted to follow the Rio Minho instead of taking the water taxi across to A Guarda. The river trail is beautiful and well marked. We finally arrived at our hotel in Vila Nova de Cerveira, where we drank beer and ate pizza. It was all kinds of perfect.
It was.